Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the pronunciation of A. A can be pronounced in two ways. One is A and the other is A. Now the question is, when we pronounce A and when A? We pronounce A when it is used as alphabet. For example, A, B, C, D. Here we must pronounce as A. Okay, but we pronounce A when it is implying, it is saying one. For example, this is a book. This is a book. Here A is not an alphabet. It is a number meaning one. So the pronunciation will be A. This is a book. This is a pen. This is a tree. So remember, when we are using A as number, we pronounce it as A. Okay.